Hey, what's up guys, how you guys doing today? So welcome to Mr. X. In today's video we'll be teaching you guys how you can actually use Kaito. I'm also new on this Kaito stuff of a thing. A lot of people are making money on Kaito, so this is a new trend right now. So let's dive into the new trend before it's over. So what you're going to do right now is to follow me. Before I created this account, I made a lot of mistakes. I'm going to show you how you can actually do yours. I already make a video of how you can create this step by step, and this is the video. So what you're going to do, right, the first thing you're going to do not use your Chrome browser. Come here to your Google Play, come here to your Play Store, download Miss Browser, right? You just have to do this to download Miss Browser. So once you already have Miss Browser, you also have to have your Twitter account. Also have to have your Twitter account. If you don't have your Twitter account, if you have your Twitter account, even if you are not verified yet, and if you come here to Twitter, don't forget to follow me here on Twitter. So let's vibe together, and you will see the reason. So what you're gonna do, right, is to come into where you see this guy to this. You can use this link right here to log in. I don't know if it's referral, but you can also use it. If you can use another source, you can also use another source to log in. But all you just have to do is for you to log in into Kaito. So once you already click on the link, or click on the link, or copy the link on my description, or use any other link, you see this kind of interface. Yours will not probably be like this. Yours will be like sign up. All you just have to do is to click on sign up, right? Click on sign up, log in with your Twitter account, put your Twitter email, your Twitter password. So automatically it will authorize. Once you click on authorize, then once you click on authorize, it tell you that you should share your Kaito if you yap. Then there is where it tell you that, it tell you that you should yap, start yapping. Then it will automatically tell you to share this kind of post on your Twitter, right? This kind of post on your Twitter account, or it should tell you that you should save your post. Once you already save it or share it to your Twitter account, what you're going to do, right, is to scroll up. You see where it say continue. Then when you click on continue, your account will be like this. Yours you might not be somewhere here, right, like this. So you might be on here. Come here, you might be on here. So you come here like this, click on, yours will be on this place, click on it. Yours will actually be on this exact place. We show you your profile. The reason I said you should follow me is this smart follower. So we have to follow each other on Kaito. Search my name and join Telegram so that we'll be able to interact and how we can follow each other on this Kaito. So you have to have a little bit of smart follower. Let's see if we can have 5 to 20 smart. If all of us follow each other, let's see if we can have 5 to 20 smart follower. We have to do this together, right? So you can also link your email if you want. Then you can use link your wallet, but this one is not for now. Let us use, you can link your email. So once you're already done with that, all you just have to do is to come back here where you see this place here, click on it. Then you have to come here where you see Kaito N. If you come into where you see Yap or Yap leaderboard, click on Yap leaderboard. You see that a lot of people are leading. You can see a lot of leading projects. You can see OG and a lot of leading projects right here. So all you just have to do is to come here to where you see, click on this place here, then come here to where you see Yap. Yap here, you see top people that are on the leaderboard right now. You can see a lot of people that are on the leaderboard, and some of them do not even have a lot of followers. If you click on it and check, they do not have thousands of followers. Some people barely have 100 followers. So what you're going to do right here is to come into where you see that place again. Just click on it and come into where you see Kaito N. So what you're going to do here on Kaito N right now is to, anytime you want to make a tweet or tweet under somebody, listen, this is very useful. Do not tweet anyhow or just started posting. You can tweet, use sense to post or tweet. So make sure that what you are doing is equivalent to what you are tweeting on. Let's say you are tweeting on a prof or on a post, right? So let's say, let's copy this. Firstly, let me, before I talk about that post, so firstly, if you just copy this, their handle, copy it, then come into your Twitter account. If you want to tweet about them, you can tweet anything about them. Let me say you want to tweet, want to post, you can tweet something good about them. Just tweet something good about them. Then you can actually paste this their username right here so that they will know that you are talking about them. And you can also do that on the comment section of other listing. Do not just, the thing is that you do not just go to people comment section to start posting and just copy and paste, talk something off, or use AI to post. Your account will be banned. So what you're going to do, if this topic is all about Kaito, measure your headline or what you are saying it actually about this Kaito directly before you talk about it. Let me say this is the yapping, yeah, yapping to, and you talk about the yapping before you're able to paste the link below what you are talking. Make sure the your subject should interact with what you are talking about before you post, because if you decided to copy post because you are going to yap, your account will be banned instantly. So once you don't do that, you can actually do that several times or with other project. So you can see this project is giving $6 million for a lot of people. So guys, that's how you can start. And don't forget to follow. Let's go this our smart follower. Go this our smart follower together. So guys, we so that we have a lot and connect. So guys, without being said, don't forget to like, share. I said earlier that I'm new to Kaito. Doesn't mean I'm new to airdrop. I've been in crypto space for years. So this Kaito, I'm just new to it. So guys, don't forget to like, share, turn on notification bell for more content like this. Let's go.